I'm going to show you how to create high quality long form content for your website in seconds, including outlines using only AI. This will help you fill out your website quickly. Hypotenuse AI is an AI content generator that uses machine learning to create well-researched content at scale for various purposes, including blog articles, website content, emails, and social media copy. Simply enter in the information, your keywords, the tone, the length of the article, the point of view, and you can describe your audience, brand, and product or service. Then it'll give you 4 titles to select from. You can choose any one of these titles and then continue for it to create the outline. After the outline, you can take a look to make sure it includes everything you want. You can also include your own headings. So if you don't like all of the headings that it generated, you can add some more yourself. It also gives you the ability to add notes to each of the sections to make sure everything is covered within that section that you would want to see included in the article. This does generate some pretty nice outlines. I was impressed by this feature. Then once you go to the next screen, as long as your outline looks good, you can click Generate Article, and it'll generate an article based on this outline. This article is generated, looks pretty good when compared to other tools. It includes a lot of information. The headings are nested very well. And using the software's content detective tool, it researches this before putting together the article. Here with this specific article, it also included actual products to achieve the result that was promised at the beginning of the article. I found this pretty impressive, and I think this is a great looking article, and I would be happy to have many like this on my own website. Here, I'll scroll through the article some more so you can just get a look at how it looks and the quality of this post that was generated using only AI. I think this would be great for human readers and also for search engines because it just includes a lot of information. So this is a good looking article at an affordable cost. It also gives you the option to upload your own images, or you can embed images as well. Now let's check out the image generator, because this software has its own image generation tool. Just enter in your image, and then you can enter in a type of image you would like, such as a photograph. You can also add other options. So here's some other options. And you can also include the mood and lighting. So we'll include a few of those as well. And you have options for the type of image you would like to generate. Some of the ones that look kind of interesting were Disney and Pixar, futurism, cinematic. So you can choose one of these. Then you can choose the size and aspect ratio and click generate. So here these images look okay. I would call them average. That first image looked pretty good, and this image looks pretty good as well. But I would say these other 2 images are well below average. They look like what image generation used to look like about a year ago. So the image generation in this software still has a little ways to go. Here's the list of templates in the template library, and allows you to create many different types of content. The library includes a lot of different types of content you can generate. We have ads and social, so Instagram and LinkedIn, YouTube. There's things for your website like landing pages, meta titles and descriptions, category page descriptions. And then there's also newsletter, so you can use AI to create newsletters for your email. Let's check out the meta titles and descriptions. I also wanted to mention that when you generate an article, it gives you the options here to turn it into a LinkedIn post, an Instagram caption, or you can do the meta title and description right there. So let's check that out, and let's generate a title and description based on the article I just had written. The title looks pretty good, but I think it could still be improved. And the description is okay, but it's not really that great because it's too long. So I have to go in here using the actual AI within the tool and have it shorten the meta description because it's too long at this point. That can make things take a little longer when trying to generate meta descriptions at scale, because you would have to go through and shorten each one of these. So that's something I was a little less impressed by. Let's go ahead and get into the pros and cons, and I will give my overall rating. Here's the pros. Hypotenuse AI creates nice outlines with the option to include other information you would like covered in the article. I think that's really unique when it comes to AI software, and I think that's a great feature to have. It writes nice long-form articles for your blog based on those outlines, and the articles are really high quality. It's much closer to unique human writing than many other AI writers. It also has a bulk article generator that would be great for filling out a website with a lot of content. It also is a good price for the quality of writing you get with this AI content generator. Very affordable and high quality content. Here's the cons. The image generation is below average when compared to other similar tools. It almost seems outdated when comparing it on the market. I just reviewed a software that creates worse articles than Hypotenuse AI, but it creates much better images. The title and meta description template didn't work very well. I had to prompt it a few times to get it to work correctly. In the same regard, not many templates to choose from when compared to other software with hundreds of templates for other types of content you can create. My overall rating is this is a great software for creating long-form content on your website. You should get this if you want high-quality content at a more affordable cost and can provide your own images. Click the link in the description for the free trial and have it write a few articles for you. I'm sure you'll be impressed. Check out my full list of AI content writers linked here.